Y'all, bacon pimento cheeseburger on the Blackstone griddle, it doesn't get any better than this. Let's get it. All right, we're gonna make our own pimento cheese, and we're gonna start out with 2 cups of extra sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm going with both white and yellow because we're bougie like that. Hey, I'm kind of interested. Hey, down below, do you know what pimento cheese is? Have you had pimento cheese? Have you made pimento cheese? I'm kind of interested. A lot of people say it's a southern thing. Some people call it southern caviar, but I don't know. I've just always known to have it and eat it, and I love it. Put it on a cracker, put it on your finger, flip-flop, whatever. That's gonna make a pretty pimento cheese. You wanna shred this yourself, y'all. You don't wanna use a bag. It's got all that stuff on it. It's not good, especially when you do pimento cheese. I use it from time to time, but still, pimento cheese, gotta shred it. State law. And to this pool, we're gonna add 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, softened. And we're gonna add 1 jar of diced pimentos. This is just peppers, y'all. We're gonna use about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And we're just gonna come in here. You can use a mixer if you want. I don't. Makes it kind of rustic. If you see that it feels kind of dry to you, you can add a little bit more mayonnaise. You can play around with your cheeses. You can do a little bit of pepper jack. You can add some jalapenos. You can add some cayenne if you want some heat to this. I tend to stay away from the heat. I actually brought some jalapenos over. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in here or not. Let's give this a try, y'all. Creamy, sharpness of that cheese is awesome. That's gonna be good. All right, after your pimento cheese is done, now we're gonna head over to the Blackstone pre-warmed griddle on low, and we're gonna add some just thick cut, this is Wright brand bacon, and we're gonna let that cook while we come over here to our cutting board, and we're gonna get our hamburger patties ready. Today, I'm not going smash burgers. That is the thing, that is popular. Sometimes I just like a big old thick burger. I don't know, who's with me? Let me know down below. Who just wants a big old thick burger? So I'm just gonna come here and give me a ball of burger. And I like to use, this is like a cutter, like a cookie cutter. And I like to use these to, you know, it helps make the circle for me. So we're just gonna come in here. This is probably about a 5-6 ounce burger. Make it as big or as little as you want, y'all. All right, our grill's ready. You want a nice hot temperature for this. I would say, 425 or so. And you can see there's a little bit of wisp of smoke just kind of coming up off the griddle. We've got our bacon over here. I put a little bit of that bacon grease over here in the top. It's gonna make something special, y'all. I'm gonna guarantee it. But hey, we're gonna season this up with some of this Hussey heifer dust. And man, this thing, a squirrel has apparently liked heifer dust and is wanting to get in here. Sorry, squirrel, maybe I'll make some squirrel dust soon. I don't know, we'll see. Tree rat dust, there we go. All right, we're gonna put these down right there. Let's season this. Man, I smell that heifer dust already. Now we're gonna season up this other side. Woo, doggy. Put some more heifer dust on them, boy. All right, we're seeing a little bit of nice color right here, y'all. Hey, I think these burgers are time to flip. It's been about 2 to 3 minutes. I say we're good. Look at that color right there. Old heifer dust does a good job for color too, y'all. All right, so once your burgers, they're almost done. They're probably a little less than medium right now. We're gonna toast our buns up. This is critical. And the good thing you wanna do is you wanna toast these buns right where that beef fat was. And we're gonna add regular American cheese to our burgers. We're gonna come here with our pimento cheese. Y'all, this burger's so cheesy, we might as well name it Hungry Hussey. Our bacon's done over here, y'all. Let's just put it right over here. We're gonna help melt everything. We're gonna use our dome. It just helps make a lot of convection. Let's see what our buns are looking like. Ooh, boy, look at that. We're gonna use this opportunity. We're gonna come in here. We're gonna go ahead and put our mayonnaise on it. Duke's mayonnaise. Don't know if I told you, state law. We're gonna put these onto our buns. Ooh, doggies. Boy, that's some kind of something right there. Let's take these over to our cutting board, y'all. Mercy, look at this bad boy. Dang it, boys and girls. We're not done. We got to put our bacon on here. You get one, I get one, we all get one. I'm gonna use a little bit of this leafy lettuce, a little slice of tomato. Always season your tomato. And we're gonna do it with a little bit of this heifer dust. Just gonna come in with a few of these Grillo pickles. These are some of the best pickles, man. They're so good. Y'all, this is the toughest part of the job. Taste testing these good groceries. Let's give us a slice, y'all. Dang it, boy. Let's see what we did. Let's see. Whoa, son. Good night in the morning. Well, I'm ready to try this. Cheers, y'all. Man, that's a burger. Good night. All kinds of flavors going on here, y'all. The pimento cheese, just the pure creaminess, cheesiness of that. The pickle, that crunch really shines through. You don't think it doesn't, but it does, and it hits. I taste that heifer dust on that burger patty too, y'all. Hey, y'all, give us a try. I guarantee you'll love it. Hey, make that pimento cheese too. Hey, you serve it on a cracker, put it on a burger. You can make a grilled cheese. Possibilities are endless, y'all. Appreciate you watching.